Hello, today we're going to talk about the 20-year-old. He's 20 years old now. He committed a crime in high school around 2017, 2018, where he sexually assaulted 4 girls, and he basically got away with it. Uh, his father's a lawyer, and we'll get into more details of the story. It seems pretty unfair that he got away with sexually assaulting 4 girls, and he got 8 years probation. The judge says he thinks that's the appropriate punishment. What do you think?
I think he got away with. Yeah. The main reason he got away with he has like good lawyers, right? So because anybody else who's like a poor person who has no good lawyers was gonna end up in a long time in jail for that because he assaulted like 3 girls and they gave them alcohol and marijuana.
Yeah, he raped 4 girls. He's a rich white kid,
Yeah.
and his dad is a lawyer. His dad is a senior partner at a law firm.
Yeah.
The judge says it wouldn't be appropriate for him to go to jail. It's like that seemed like that affluent case. It's
Yes.
really like you were saying in our LeBron argument. Life's not fair.
Yeah, it's not fair
People
because
who got the money.
yeah, what I said that rich people who have like good lawyers, they get away with a lot of things, and that just proved my case.
But the guy,
Because if he was one kid that was poor, kind of did the same thing as a 16 years old or 17 years old when he did that, trust me, that kid was going to the big house for a long time.
that's a travesty of justice. Yeah, if he wasn't a rich white kid, he'd probably get like 15, 20 years. So you raped 4 teenage girls. Even though he was a teenager, it was rape. It's not even consensual, right? They say his house was known as a party house, and he gave everybody alcohol,
No,
drugs, like prescription drugs and marijuana.
yeah, it says his mom and stepfather and friend they provided the alcohol and the weed for
Yeah.
people to smoke down there.
Actually, the girls are suing them, the parents as well. His stepdad, and his
His mom?
yeah,
Okay.
his biological dad's the lawyer
Okay.
at the firm. I don't think it was his lawyer, but then and then he also said that I don't know. He offered some apology, and then he was saying, "Oh, I don't know why they brought this in the case about how he bypassed restrictions on the computer to watch porn. He said he'd been watching porn since he was 7." And then in the New York Times article, they mentioned that, which I don't. This has nothing to do with it. Let me just say not the punishment, but they said he had gotten some kind of medication to lower his libido.
Yeah, that's kind of one more thing. It's a lawyer loophole. They found they found a way so they can make it look like he didn't have control of his libido, right? But if he assaulted those girls, I don't think it has to do with libido anyway.
It has nothing to do with it. It's just like
three different girls.
yeah. It's like a lot of people have high drives. They don't assault people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was pretty messed up.
But like I said,
8 years probation.
when you have good lawyers, so there's always
Even
a
if
way
he
to
had a
find it.
bad lawyer, he's a rich white kid.
Yeah, but you still need a lawyer though. You still need good lawyers to kind of
He would have
defend
gotten
you.
away with it, and he violated probation from
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
So he would have been under the jail
And
if he wasn't if he was he wasn't a fluent white kid, which is again they call it travesty of justice. It's a
yes,
it's not even serious. Like the justice system's not serious in a lot of states. This is in what, Buffalo, New York?
Buffalo, New York. But I also blame the judge.
Of course.
The judges kind of want to blame to give this kind of sentence because if he was found guilty, then he kind of said he's guilty himself, right?
And he had the audacity to say, "I prayed and agonized over this sentence." I'm like,
It's
good grief, man.
Yeah. So technically, for me, I blame the judge more than anything else because he has guidelines, right? When
Of course.
somebody is guilty, what kind of penalty they have to
Of
endure,
course.
right?
He's 20.
So
And they try teenagers as adults all the
yeah,
time.
he was 17 or 16 when everything happened, right?
I don't know. I think 17.
Yeah.
Maybe both.
So, but because he was found guilty and there's a sentencing guideline, so the judge is to blame. What I'm saying is the judge to blame because he went to the lightest thing he could have found.
Yeah, of course.
It's like you have like 10 things you can hammer him. So he went to the lowest one, right?
Yeah.
He took the lowest one. Oh, okay. Slapped in the little face. Take it. That kind of stuff.
Then he adds in, I prayed and I agonized over this sentencing.
Yeah, and that's slapped in the face for those 3 girls, right?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
So-
Because they're messed up for a long time. Maybe all their life.
Hopefully, they're gonna sue them as in the civil court and get some
Yeah, they're suing the mom and the stepdad.
civil court.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
they probably
forgot
they
about
probably
that.
they probably have that in the civil court so they can get some money for pain and suffering, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, they should. They should. Let us know what you think. Rate some comments or send us an email. And thank you very much for listening.